loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I style a sew and weave. I've done a wash day routine before, so I decided not to do that, but I'll link it down below if you want to watch it. I'm just kind of showing you what I do on kind of like an everyday basis to refresh my look after sleeping on it. I'm going to be talking about the hair that I'm wearing and then also kind of how I got it installed, so that if you kind of want to get the same look, or I don't know, just want to know how I installed it, then you will know how I did. So if you're interested in seeing how I style my sew-in, then just keep on watching. So the hair that I received is from Allove hair. I got, let's see, it's 24 inches and I got 3 bundles.
I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you.
Basically, as you can see, I lightened the hair. I in total bleached the hair 4 times. Now, I would not recommend doing it more than 3 times, because after doing it 3 times, the hair was so soft. It wasn't damaged at all. I just bleached it with 30 volume developer. The hair was still really nice, but I just wasn't satisfied with the color, so I went over it one more time, and I honestly regret that because I feel like it kind of did damage the hair. So I wouldn't recommend doing it more than 3 times. But y'all, when I tell you, after bleaching it 3 times, it felt so soft. It was like no tangles, no shedding, no breakage. Like everything looked so good. Obviously the 4th time it was kind of like, okay, shouldn't have done that, but it's still holding up really good, but it definitely is shedding a little and like breaking off because it's damaged. So obviously that is my fault, and it's not the hair, it's just me overdoing it. A lot of people ask me how I blend my leave out, and it's basically just I measured how long my leave out would be, and I basically started bleaching underneath that length, like below that, if that makes sense. I don't love ombres, so this isn't the way that I really wanted my hair. Like I prefer like a balayage, but I didn't want to bleach my own hair, so I just kind of went for this. But it still looks cute in my opinion. It's like cute for summer, something light, something different. I love the length. 24 inches definitely is my length. Like I feel like that bitch when I wear 24 inches. Yeah, overall, honestly, I have to be honest with you, this is one of the best quality hairs that I've ever tried. And I'm not saying that because they're sponsoring this video. Like I'm genuinely saying that, especially after bleaching it. Like I've bleached a lot of hair. I don't think any hair has held up as well as this one has. Also for the length, I feel like it's still very full from root to tip. Obviously because of the breakage, it's a little thinner now, but yeah, I don't know, like even like unpacking it, like getting it out of the packaging, everything, like it felt so good, so thick, so soft, so full. So yeah, I'm really in love with this hair, and I definitely would love to work with them again. And I think that if you don't bleach this hair, it's going to be even better. I have a feeling that it's going to hold up for a really long time. Obviously I haven't had it for, I think I've had it for like a week, so I don't know how it's going to be after like wearing it for like a month or 2, but I definitely think you're going to be able to wear it for a really long time. And obviously if you bleach it, you still will be able to, just don't bleach it for a time. That's where the hair is from. I'm going to link all the links and information down below. Oh yeah, so how I got this hair installed, basically I have a leave out pretty much from here to here, like this much. I don't know how much that would be, but it's this, and then a little bit on the sides. I didn't get anything in the back because I'm not really planning on wearing this in a ponytail. And the way we did the braids is basically we braided down. I told her I wanted it to be as flat as possible, and as you can see, it is super flat. Like I haven't had it this flat in a really long time. Like she did a really good job. We basically braided down, and she used a little bit of braiding hair to just have some more grip on my hair, because obviously my hair is pretty silky because I relax it. We braided it down, and then anything left over she like obviously sewed back up, and we fit all 3 bundles in here. We basically doubled 2 bundles, and then at the top we just did single rows, like, and it turned out like this, and it's really full. Like there's a lot of hair, and I love it so much. I literally love it so much. I think this hair would be even more amazing if you make a wig out of it, if you like get a closure or like a frontal as well, and then use maybe even 4 bundles and make a wig. Ooh. Since the hair definitely can take bleach, like you could create a really nice maybe blonde color, or any, I don't know, whatever color you want, but you'll be able to bleach it as well, so that'd be really dope. But yeah, so that is pretty much all the information on my hair. I'm now going to show you how I style it kind of on an everyday basis. and I hope you guys enjoy. This is pretty much what my hair looks like after waking up. I haven't brushed it or anything. I usually just go to sleep like with my hair behind my ears, and I do brush it before going to sleep, but it just tangles because I sleep pretty wild, and especially last night, like I was turning a lot, so that's why. First thing we're gonna do is brush out their hair. It's already in a good party. Let me fix it a little bit. I don't put heat on my hair every single day, but yesterday I went to a festival, so I feel like my hair kind of got a little messed up from the heat, from, you know, just like the wind and everything. And I'm also going to a birthday party today, so I wanted to look a little bit more sleek and put together than if it was just like an everyday type of thing. If you don't want your hair to tangle while you're sleeping, especially if it's really long like mine, I would recommend maybe putting it in like braids, or maybe putting it on like a satin cap. Obviously if you put it in braids, it's going to turn out wavy. If you want to keep it straight, maybe put like a satin cap on so that it kind of all stays together. But yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do now is actually do my baby hair. I'm just going to pin my hair back a little so I have, you know, all the space. So I usually use my Got2b glue, but I actually have no idea where that is. Like I can't find it. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel instead. But I don't feel like this lasts as long as my Got2b glue, but it's okay. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this to... I've already done my makeup. I usually do this before, so I hope it doesn't get like bronzer in there, but I'm not wearing foundation, so it should be good. I just kind of lay down some baby hairs, whatever I think looks cute.
I got to know you, got to love you.
I was gonna do 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then one in the middle. It's kind of my way of doing baby hairs. Kind of depends how your baby hairs grow, obviously.
Trying not to show you my emotions.
And now I'm going to actually heat up my straightener. I'm sick, by the way. That's why I sound like this. It's not cute at all. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do, get some BioSilk Silk Therapy. I don't put this in the hair every day, but I put this in the hair before it dries, like while I'm like blow drying it, whatever. I'm actually running out, but I ordered a new one. But I also actually like doing it every couple of days, just to help with the ends, because obviously I did bleach this hair, and you know, the ends could use it, and then put it on my own hair a little bit. It just kind of makes everything feel really soft again. You can use it on dry and wet hair, so I like to do both, and already straight away like feel a difference in the ends of the hair. Like it just feels better right away. I'm gonna start on one side, and basically what I like doing is taking half of the section up, so I can really get a nice straight look. And the hair is obviously already straight, but as you can see, there's a little like bump in there, which just kind of always happens with me when I have a sew in. I don't know why, and I don't like it. So yeah, since it's not my real hair, I don't mind straightening this more often than like I would do with my natural hair. Let's go in, and I do the comb chase method. This just creates the most sleek, straight look on both your natural hair and on any type of weave, because it just keeps all the hairs in line, and there's just like, I don't know, it's just a really great method for straightening. And ever since I learned how to do this, because at first I wasn't able to do this, but ever since I learned how to, I've never like not done this method. So definitely recommend, even if you don't know how to do it. I know there's also actually combs that are like easier to like clip onto your hair if you don't really know how to like hold it together. Like that was my struggle in the beginning, but now I'm pretty good at it. So section it off again. You don't have to do this necessarily, but I just prefer doing it. It just makes it easier. And then again, go in and do the comb chase method. I was first going to do a sewing washing routine, but I actually don't want to wash the hair yet because I'm going on vacation next week, and you know, I just kind of want to keep it a little bit dirtier because I'm going to be swimming a lot and stuff. And I've actually already done a sewing washing routine, and it hasn't changed a whole lot, so I feel like it'd be a little repetitive to do that again when it's pretty much the same, just like different products. But like the technique's still the same. You know, I wash it, I make sure the braids are blow dried and like, you know, as dry as possible. Blow dry the hair, blow dry, leave out, straighten everything. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna do one pass over my natural hair, that's all, like. And then do the last section.
Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes.
I'm only passing like the weave twice. I'm passing my natural hair once because I really just don't want to put too much heat on there, but it does kind of help blend it nicely again if I just pass it once. But pass it real fast, and then I know where like my natural hair ends, that's where I pass it another time. And then right here, I could put a little bit of dry shampoo in my roots, but it's not too bad yet, so I'm just gonna leave it. I usually wear my hair behind my ears. I can definitely wear it like this as well, but yeah, my roots are a little too oily to do that now. I feel like I could put dry shampoo and wear it like that, but I'm just going to wear it behind my ears again. And now it's so nice and straight, and that little bump is pretty much all gone. Like, it's still a little there. I don't know how to avoid that. If anyone knows, like, I don't know how to avoid that. It's really annoying. I'm going to just quickly do the other side and then I'll be back. I just finished the other side and just put my hair behind my ears, but this is pretty much what it looks like now. It's just really nice and sleek again, really soft because of the bio silk. And yeah, I just kind of wear it like this. Sometimes I wear it to the side, which I also kind of like. If it's like really windy, I usually wear it to the side like this. You can wear it with like a headband. I bought a headband for a vacation because I obviously there's gonna be a lot of wind. I'm gonna be on a boat, I'm gonna be swimming, so I was like, let me get a headband. So I just got like a basic headband with like a little knot in the middle, and it's black, and it'll just like push my hair back. But yeah, this is kind of how I wear it every day, and if it's like super clean and just washed, I'll kind of wear this down. But my roots are getting a little dirty, so I'm not going to do that today. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Again, I will leave all the information to allove here in the description. And if you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I will have my Instagram link down below. Definitely hit me up because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.